Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Jan, and on the turntable we have an old favorite, the 13D Dodge wreck truck. Avid followers of my channel know that I already tackled this model back in 23 when I did a livery swap between the Dodge and the Ford wreck truck. I also did an accurate restoration of the Ford, but never of the Dodge, and this sorry side is a good opportunity to make up for this. The Dodge was a Ford wreck truck in the Lesney range, after the two Bedford wreck trucks and the Thames Raider. The last one is in my bins, so keep your eyes out for a video soon. The Dodge wreck truck was based on a Dodge D500 truck, which was part of the first generation Dodge D-Series truck lineup, which are made from 1961 up to 1965. The D500 was a heavier 2-ton version which would have been ideal for towing jobs. The Matchbox model was for sale from 1965 up to 1970. It was only issued in this BP livery with a green utility bed and a yellow cap, although there is a very rare and extremely valuable factory error where the colors were swapped. This was also a transitional model, meaning that in its final year of production it was converted for super fast wheels. Well, that tow truck is not going anywhere in that state, so let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. I don't think there are many 70s kids who didn't have this tow truck in their toy box. It was maybe one of the most popular models by Lesney. I already did a custom restoration a couple of years ago, so it's time to do a restoration that's a bit closer to the original. This beat up tow truck is a perfect candidate with a broken window, bent axle, damaged paint and decals and a missing tow hook. And here's the result. The green is traffic green and the yellow is called zinc yellow, although I should have gone for sulfur yellow, which is a bit brighter. I had to apply several layers and lost some of the details in the cap, like the license plate. I replaced the front axle and one of the wheels, fitted a new window that's however a bit more clouded than I would have wished for, despite a lot of polishing. The beacon was replaced with a generic specimen of the same size and the tow hook came from the parts drawers. The slanted side of the decals doesn't align very well, but it's a lot better than what it was. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.